Guys, you are leaving money on the table, You're leaving money on the table, guys. And I got to tell you why you're leaving money on the table. First of all, let me tell you, my name is Jean Davis. I am a former IRS auditor. I have wrote the program called the Give Yourself a Raise program that shows you legally, ethically, and morally how to give yourself an immediate $300, $400, $500 or more a month in your paycheck, guys, by adjusting your W-4. And it's a reason why you're able to adjust your W-4. Now, you know the tax laws have changed. You know there's a new reform law. And I'm telling you right now, if you don't have a business, guys, you're going to be on a lot of money when it comes to taxes. But I'm going to tell you right now, your girl, Miss Jean Davis, have came up with a program to show you how you can get more of the money you earn. But I'm not going to just tell you from my word. What I want to do from this program, I want to read some testimonies that some of our clients, this is the Give Yourself a Raise program, okay? And some of our clients who have purchased this program, guys, say, you know what? They left us some powerful testimony. And let me just read some of the testimonies. It says, Jean Davis is truly a blessing. The Tax Advantage program has not only helped me to understand the tax laws, but it gave me an extra $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year, guys. She says she's a school teacher. I'm the only one working in the house. I heard Jean on a radio show, and she was really giving some vital information over the air. I called her and explained my situation to her, and she scheduled a consultation with me. Let me just say, the knowledge that Miss Davis has is awesome. I usually owe every year. Check this out. She said she usually owe every year, but she said last year she was able to get a refund for $3,500. That's included a $500 a month increase I receive every month. That's a total of $9,500 for tax savings. You would be crazy not to listen to this lady. She gives true tax advantage, and it doesn't hurt that she was an auditor examiner for the IRS, okay? That's from Mr. Muhammad. Here's another lady, Miss Tate. I attended a financial seminar where Jean was teaching taxes, finances, and real estate. She went over the tax laws, showed us the publications. That's what most people don't do. We show you the publications directly from the IRS and explain to us how to build a successful business that help us to be audit proof. I just want to say that Jean helped me to lower my taxes, get out of debt, and build my business. I always owe every tax year, but last year I received a $5,200 refund. Her program works. That's from Miss V. Tate. The last person I want to read, and this is for these high income earners out there that you're just paying taxes, just throwing money out the window, and you don't understand the tax advantages of owning a business. This lady said, I owed the IRS over $40,000 in taxes, and it was destroying my life. My friend introduced me to Jean, and let's say she saved me from financial stress. She amended my tax years for 3 years. And not only did I not owe the IRS, but the IRS owed me $20,000. Can you understand that? That's powerful. I tell everyone I know that Miss Davis and her company, Tiffis, is truly saving lives and educating people about tax laws and finances. Take it from me. I will never lose her number. Love you, Jean, and thank you so much. That is from Miss M. Brent. Listen, guys, you may not can attend a seminar. Maybe I'm not in your city right now. Maybe I'm not in your state or in your country, but you're looking at a way to save money, to invest, to grow your portfolio, and you're saying to yourself, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, you want to, instead of getting this program, that guys come with a workbook and a CD and it costs over $249. Instead of paying for this program, what I would suggest you do is register for the online webinar, guys. The online webinar that you can register right now from the comforts of your home and pay less than 60% of what other people are paying. I mean, we're giving a 60% discount on the program. You won't pay $249, okay? Yeah, we're giving you a discount that you're going to be like, oh my God, you mean to tell me I get to get this, as well as I get to write it off on my taxes under education. And let me just share with you some of the things that we're going to cover. We're going to show you how to lower your taxes to the legal minimum, create a positive cash flow, receive an immediate, I said immediate, pay increase in your paycheck without going to your boss. Learn the most common tax deductions you qualify for. High income earners will learn tax advantages of owning a business and how to create a great tax shelter. You'll be able to build retention in your business, guys. Give yourself an extra $300, $400, $500 or more a month in your paycheck. And I'm telling you right now, that is immediate gratification for anyone who's in the direct sales industry, multi-level marketing industry, what they call internet marketing, and you have a sales team and you want to give them immediate gratification before they make one paycheck in their business. You show them with this webinar how they can adjust their W-4 legally, ethically, and morally and get themselves an immediate pay increase in their paycheck because they're working their business with the intent to make a profit. I'm telling you right now, this Give Yourself a Raise program is saving people lives and helping a lot of people earn the type of money that they want to earn, and take that money and not invest in doodads, but invest back into yourself and growing your business. So what you want to do right now, you want to click on the link. It might be here, it might be here, it might be here, or it might just be up here. Click on the link right now and get registered for the Give Yourself a Raise webinar so you can get your money right now. Stop leaving money on the table. Get it now, register now, and I'll see you on the other side of this video. See you soon.